how to create an easy to subscribe link for your YouTube channel. Your YouTube subscribers are people who have chosen to follow your channel. And they can do this by clicking that subscribe button there. And if they also click that little bell next to it, this extra step secures that they are notified with your latest public videos. And to have more than 100 subscribers give you some social validation and also the option to customize your URL for your YouTube channel. And there is an easy way to create a specific link that takes them directly to a dialogue that asks to confirm this channel subscription. To this, that they just have to click there, subscribe and confirm. And it's very easy to do this. You just have to add the text interrogation mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1 to the end of the URL of your YouTube channel. For instance, in this case, is a customized URL. You just add that to the end, and that will take you directly to the confirmation page. And this also works when the URL is not customized yet. So here with all the numbers, you just add the same ending. And if you click here, you are going to be redirected to this dialog. Confirm your channel subscription. And if you click subscribe, then you can click the little bell next to it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And if you are a member of Tech Tips for Coaches, you have detailed tutorials with step-by-step instructions and screenshots on how to do this and many, many other resources there. Learn, impact, and enjoy. This is Anna Malikian, the founder of TechTipforCoaches.com.